So, I'm gonna show you my phone. So, this is what my phone is like. I've got a ton of stuff, including this Yandeer thingy. I'm gonna try and get rid of it. I mean. So, yeah, that's. Ooh, skins. Yeah, I got all this stuff. I don't really need. What? What's that? I don't know what that means. Anyway. I was just gonna show it just cause. Even though I'm supposed to be making a video, I also have MCPE myself. So sometimes I'll make block launcher videos, and sometimes I'll make MCPE. So this is one of the stuff I'm gonna be doing. Vending machine. So let's just start. Okay. Minecraft is loading, blah blah blah. All that. Let's see. I need coins. I think diamonds. Wait. It's a chest filled with coins. Oh, I should put the chamber settings. It's box with coins. Okay, so I'm gonna have a few of these. That'll take about 5. I'll come back when I need more. So it's Delicion. What? Delison, I guess. What do I know? Income room. Vending machine by Delison. Insert a coin, then press the button and wait. So insert a coin, then click the button and wait. And wait. And then extra. This is the extra if you put too much coin. I didn't put too much coin. I want a melon. Can I have a melon, please? What? Warning, don't put too much coin if you buy low price segment. Coin back to you. Where is my item? What I told you. This is a ripoff. Thank you for a minute. Seriously, did. Oh. It's gonna walk away in shame. Configuration. Whoa. Holy cow. Whoa. Oh dear. Did I just change something? I should get out of configuration because I could not fix it back. So I just got a melon. Let's see the income. I think I can try to live here. Maybe this could be not there. Except I don't need a mama. This is the income. And then I'm going to overpay. And this is my money. I'm gonna buy something expensive like, let's see, rabbit. Wait, if I put something else other than the coin, what still was it? I put a melon. Then I press the button. Then I say I want a melon from the melon. Oh, that did not work. So just put my melon, right? Put the onion. spend it. What do I want? I want a salmon for $4. Two. And I want salmon. Oh, I asked for salmon. Where is salmon? Oh, vending extra room. No. Okay. Here, my thing. I want something for $2, like a cooked chicken. So, give me a cooked chicken, please. Where's my cooked chicken? Oh, that's easy. Excuse me. Incoming room. Income, baby. Me on that income, baby. I'm a thief. I'm a hot thief. So, okay, it was me, but from there was tacos. Yeah, you come here with that, cause I'm